Hello everyone, Hussam here. I'm going to show you a plugin that redirects customer after checkout to WhatsApp chat. This plugin can send admin or receiver number, product details and order details like product name and product image and product price. Also, admin or receiver number can receive customer details like customer name and customer number. This plugin is very important and help admin to receive notification from customers that they made a new orders. Let's take a look for the plugin. First, I'm going to plugins in dashboard and add new. Then I'm going to upload plugin. I have two versions, the free version and the pro version. I'm going to try the free one, install and activate. After activated the plugin, I'm going to see option page here. I will click on it and here we can see the plugin options. The first option is the receiver number and it should be the admin number or the website owner number. Here we can write simple text will be at the first of the WhatsApp message, and here is the message content. In the free version we can send the product name and product price, and all these options are in the pro version. And there is a delay option to make the customer can see thank you page if it more than 5 seconds. If it's 0 by default, the customer will see the checkout page and then will redirect to chat without seeing the thank you page. Okay, let's try the plugin. I'm going to the all products here and go to the view this product and add it to cart. This is my test website and view cart, then continue. This must be the customer details. I will proceed to complete the checkout and see what happens here. Okay, the plugin redirects me to the receiver number and this chat should be with the admin, and this is the message content we choose from options. Let's continue with WhatsApp web. This is the message and I will as a customer send it to the admin, and that's all. Let's try the pro version. I will close this and close this and go to plugins, all plugins. Then I'm going to deactivate the free version and delete it. Then I'm going to upload the pro version. Upload pro version, install, activate, and go to options page and we can see all these options and we can use it. I'm going to choose the category and this is not in the free version, and this plugin will work only with selected or checked category. And in this version I'm going to make the redirect delay 5 seconds to see the thank you page and save changes. That's all. Let's try. I'm going to all products and view the product belongs to CAT category, view, add to cart, view card, and let's complete the order. Okay, this is the thank you page and we will redirect after 5 seconds. Okay, this all details. Let's try to continue with WhatsApp web. And being a customer in this example, I will going to send the message to the website admin, and that's all. I'm going to leave links below this video to download the version or request the pro version to get this professional plugin that will help you to collect notifications and orders from your customers easily.